How to play UFC 5 with 2 controllers. So if you want to play UFC 5 with 2 controllers, then just watch this video. Now to play UFC 5 with 2 controllers, first you need to ensure that both controllers are properly connected to your console or your PC. Once both controllers are recognized, you need to start the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, you need to select the Exhibition or Fight Now option, which is typically designed for local multiplayer. You will then be prompted to choose Fighters. Each player can select their preferred character using their respective controller. After making your selections, follow the on-screen prompts to start the match and enjoy competing against each other in the Octagon. Make sure to communicate with your opponent on the controls to have a smooth and fun gaming experience. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.